Hello everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to use your PELEGON raised toilet seat. But before we begin, please note that what I'll be explaining and showing you is intended as general guidelines. It should not replace medical advice from your healthcare professional. So let's get started. You may have purchased this equipment due to having difficulties getting to the bathroom on time, or you may have a medical precaution or a contraindication after surgery where you're unable to sit in a low position. You can place your raised toilet seat above your toilet. Alternatively, you can also place a seat next to your bed or an appropriate location in your home. If it is not being used above your toilet, I recommend placing your product ideally against a wall for stability. Now, let's talk about how to adjust the height of your raised toilet seat. Remember to adjust the seat height based on your doctor's recommendation because different procedures may require different height adjustments. When you're about to use your raised toilet seat, back up to the toilet with your assistive device until the back of your legs are touching the toilet. This will ensure you are in a safe position to sit down. Next, place your assistive device at a nearby, easy-to-reach position. Now, reach out and take hold of both handles and gently sit down. Once you're finished and ready, in order to stand up, make sure you place equal pressure to both handles for safety and stability. Only then reach out for your assistive device to move away from the toilet. If you have any questions about assembling your equipment, please check out our assembly video for clear and easy instructions at PELEGON.com. I hope this video was helpful to you and answered all your questions regarding the PELEGON raised toilet seat. Thanks for watching and take care.